This for the breast part. Remember I used -16 to get 60, that is the full tape.
Yes.
So now to cut a pad, we'll make use of this, the measurement. I'll make use of bust 35. Remember it's both back and front, which is 4. You divide it by 4. That 35 is divided by 4 is 9. Then I'm adding 5 allowance, making 13. 9 plus 5 is 13. So now see, it's an off shoulder. It's an off shoulder, so I'm starting from -4. -4 to get 16 and half, which is the half length. 16 and half. You shift your tape again. 16 and half. You shift your tape. -4 to get 16 and half. Then you cut it. This is for the breast part. So now you fold 4 for the breast part, because the person is very busty. If it's someone that is not busty, you can still use 4 and half, but me, I'm making use of 4. This is 4. Remember to pin. You can see I place pin. So now remember it's an off shoulder, so now it's -4 to get the half length, which is 16 and half. Our half length is 13, but I will not make use of exactly 13, so that it will not, the nipple point will not jump up, so that it will be at the center. Rather, I will make use of 13 and half. From that 13 now, you count 3 inches. 1, 2, 3. Instead of you marking it at the 10th, you mark it at the 10 and half. Why? Because of these half inches we use here. Then here you come to this side, you can see you mark 3. Then here you come under, you mark 1 and half, depending on how you want it. Then you do it like this. Then you turn it upside down. You carry it like this. You can see the way I did it. You can see the way I did it. Then you cut. You can see how it is. Then you remove your pin. Then this is how you join it. You can see this is the center. This is the center of the cloth, and this is the side. So if you want to join it, you bring one of the side, put your pad, then you sew it like this. You put your pad on it, you join. That is how you do it at the both side. Then you open. Then to get the neck, after joining everything as it is now, after joining them,